Okay, visit the URL. That means this one, which have been provided to you, Unlimited ABAQUS Tutorials, and visit that. uh, Go to here. You can choose monthly plan, you can choose yearly plan, whichever suits you. Okay, name a fair price if you want. Let's say $5.5, and then subscribes. Okay, enter your valid email address. Please note, enter your valid email address. Okay, then card numbers, valid date, and go ahead, pay and subscribe. Now you can see the content, view content. This view content link will also be sent to your email address, so make sure to enter valid email address. Okay, and make sure that that email address is accessible to you, because that link should be accessible to you also. Okay, okay, now uh, here you will access all the tutorials for free, no cost, no extra cost. Okay, so let's say I'm going to visit this one, first one. Okay, let's say I want to visit the first one. What is in this? Then open, click open, and now you can get this tutorial for free. I want this, enter your email address and get it for free. Okay, now we view content, and here you can view the content of the specific tutorial and click open. uh, Now you can see this. Okay, you can watch the tutorial. That's how. Please email me if anything, any query or any doubt you have.